Still going. Sorry about the EXO. I didn't touch it. Wow.
Investors have been concerned about that a weaker reading of the private sector job creation published by...
What the heck is going on here? Bro, look at all these trucks. This is a truck rock. Trucks are gone. Truck info.
New York's not going to see this. You know, when Obama assumed office, the unemployment rate...
Where's the next truck crash? Hit me up. I'm ready for it. Wait. Here's a big question that you guys right there answer down in the comment section. If the fourth truck crash was on the other road, and how come they literally didn't go, they slowed down the road that we're on?
No, back up it is.
Jeez Louise. Jeez. These guys hate it. Oh, look at that mountain right there.
We're now putting out, we see now a flattening of the curve.
Ooh.
Mountain. In Florida, according to all the reports I'm seeing.
Mountain.
That means
Mountain.
pattern.